I know there is the huge Jewish refugee in area in Shanghai. Actually, it's really close to where I was growing up. It's still there. There are synagogues. There are recently renovated commemoration activities. There are a small Jewish museum on their experience, and there is the other earlier Jewish business presence in Shanghai. I met with one Maholic alum. She actually grew up in that kind of settings, and reminds me of the even the small Jewish community in China. There are all sorts of diversified experience. They're not really different. They're coming from Russia, and the other things is during the wartime. It just reminds me of how you should be really careful, especially dealing with the Jewish studies, because there are all sorts of ironies, contradictions, and misconceptions you will brought into this field.